Ito pala Majay Park na.
It looks like the same.
Yeah. And then we're going to it later.
Proceed to the route.
I'm getting crossing now.
Huh?
Getting crossing.
Again?
Ito pala yung South na Walmart. Ito, bumaba kami sa Kwan. Walmart malapit sa airport.
This time we're going for the cheetah.
Straight ahead, sabi. 50 limit lang. Ay.
Kainin mo ba yan? Ayaw mo kumain? Ha?
O yan, kainin mo.
Jalapeno dito anak, sa Canada lang yung jalapeno. Oh, look at this one, it's water oh. Ay ano,
Lake pala yan.
lake.
Look at the lake.
But it's mataas yung tubig.
Pala tong ban eh. Gilid ng ban. Kaya pala tinawag na Devil's Lake. Diba? Bonchi Bien.
Kasi hindi natin kilala yung ano.
Bonchi Bien ng Manitoba. General pala si Jerry Farber ka. O, dito na tayo. Malapit na tayo sa Kwan. Sa may city ng Grand Forks. Ayan. 10 kilometers na lang. 55 ng limit eh. So yan na, 55 na eh. Uy, may bahay dito oh. Yan ang masarap. Tapos may farm ka, malapit ka pa sa city. Oh, mga ganyan lang. Yan, dito kami sa Kwan oh. Grand Forks International Airport pala ito. Ayan oh. Airport pala ng Grand Forks yan. Doon yung tower nila eh. Kaya airport.
Wait a minute.
So
there's two options to go.
Yan.
To go. You would to like Canada, the USA, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, we're here.
Okay, light is much more fun because
City
you can
town
make
of
food.
Grand
You
Forks.
can make food but not eat ones.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can make water.
Yeah. When you're driving, you can bring water.
What QV? It looks like this.
Yeah. And then we're going to it.
Proceed to the route.
I'm getting crossing now.
Huh?
Getting crossing.
Again?
Ito pala yung south na Walmart. Ito, bumaba kami sa Kwan. Walmart malapit sa airport.
This time I'm going for the cheetah.